the problem of turning signal lights flashing twice as fast. Let me show you what's going on. You see left signal? Do you see right signal? You see how fast it flashes? This is it shows you that one of your bulbs went out. Okay, I have taken the back panel of the light out. Fucking kids on the backyard. Okay, so this is the bulb, and this is the particular light that actually went out, or the bulb is bad or something. Someone earlier suggested you should also see that thing inside, pick that out a little bit so the contact is better. See, again, make sure you screw this all the way in, because if you don't, you put it in and you lose the bulb inside the headlight. You have to take the whole headlight out or use some sneaky thing to take it out. Damn, this one doesn't really come out. What the? Again, I use scissors like that stuff there. Look up. Contact is better. This one too. Make sure you screw the bulbs correctly, okay? Because if you don't put them all the way in, gonna lose a bulb right in there. That's what happened to me before. That's the problem. And I'll show you the other problem I've got. All burned out, and the terminal is melted. So what are you gonna do? I'm gonna use electric tape to fix this. Okay, this is the cable. So we basically, since it's all burned, have to clean it from so it gets the better ground. So much burnt stuff in it, I'm surprised it actually gets the ground. Because I have a background of electrician. It's all ash in there. So I have to take that ash out. Since the whole socket is burned out, you have to wrap it in electric tape. Okay. All the problems been solved. Look. No more backlights. Fixed. All of the lights are working now. And turn signal is working in normal way. No more rage on those.